Oh, there you are. I remember when your orange was so bright it hurt to look at. Your headphones are broken. You were always the loud one. Now you can't hear anything at all. Still mid-song after all these years, the spiders made a home in your voice. Your face used to light up, literally. Now it's just dark glass and rust. Nature took you back. I don't know if that's beautiful or heartbreaking. You always blended in. Now you've almost disappeared completely. They dressed you in the others' costumes, like a funeral no one attended. Standing in the water all this time, waiting for someone who never came back. You were supposed to fly. Now you just hang there, reaching for nothing. That smile used to mean something. Now it just feels like it's mocking me. Still looking in the mirror, but the reflection, it's not really you anymore, is it? Trapped behind the glass. Can you still hear me? Did you ever? Hands on the keys forever, playing a song no one will ever hear again. Were you hiding? Or were you put here so no one would find you? I almost missed you. You were always the quiet one, even now. No. What is this? These aren't my friends. Someone turned joy and calm into this. The blood. Raddy, you were rhythm and life. They made you look like death came dancing. I can't look. The performers, still performing, but the song is wrong now. Everything about this is wrong. Who asked for this? Oren, what did they do to you? You welcomed everyone. You were warmth. Now you're warning them away. Mr. Sun, you were every child's good morning. Jevin, you were already shy, already hiding. They twisted you into the thing people should hide from. Black, you were mysterious but never scary, never threatening. Now you're the void, the end of everything. Still at your mirror, gerbil. Still getting ready. The show you're preparing for. I don't want to see it. Another section. Hidden. Gray and durable. They look like corrupted files. Like someone tried to delete them but couldn't finish. Fragmented. set. They made you look like a broken transmission, emerging from dead screens, trapped between the digital and the real. A gauntlet of them, both sides. I have to walk through. There's no other way. Parts of you are just missing, deleted, like you were never complete. Suspended in darkness, 1,000 dead lights that were supposed to be stars. Buried in crystals, they built a tomb for you and called it art. Help, not real. Someone wrote these words. Someone was here before me, fused to the instruments. You can't play anymore. You became the music. Tangled in cables like a spider's prey, the network swallowed you whole. Light and dark, creation and void. This is where they designed all of you. The headset is still on. What were you seeing? Dozens of failed copies surrounding you. Technology pretending to be nature. Now it's all dead together. A throne of bones. They made you a devil and called it entertainment. The sleep laboratory. They studied fear here. They created it. A crime scene. A ghost. The chalk outline is still there after all these years. The broadcast desk is destroyed. Whatever message you had, it never got out. Mirrors everywhere, cracked, infinite broken reflections of broken things. Specimens in tubes. They experimented on you. They wanted to see what you'd become. I can barely see you. You're almost not there at all. Almost nothing. The first version, the original, before you became what everyone loved, before any of this. Daylight. Finally, I can see the way out, but I don't think I'll ever really leave this place.